She was eager to start her new job and meet her colleagues. The doctor looked relieved after receiving the test results that showed no illness. She was stunned by the unexpected news of her promotion. He was offended when his hard work was not acknowledged. The cranky old man yelled at the kids playing in the park. Always get anxious when flying, despite having traveled many times. The teacher was frustrated by the lack of participation in class. They were ecstatic about their surprise. She felt angry when she discovered her friend had betrayed her trust. She felt nervous before her first job interview. She felt annoyed when her favorite show was interrupted by commercials. She felt disgusted when she saw the filthy kitchen. He became irritated with himself for forgetting important details. He quickly became bored with video games she had played too many times. He felt a sense of calm wash over him as he meditated. He grew impatient after waiting for his friend for over an hour. A warm bath in the evening always helps her feel more relaxed. After losing the game due to a referee's mistake, the players were furious. The terrified child clung to his mother while watching the scary movie. The audience seemed indifferent to the performer's efforts on stage. The curious dog sniffed around the garden, investigating every scent. He was depressed about the state of the world and the news he kept hearing.
Thanks for watching.